And here we go. That was funny. That's how it started out. Okay, Hillary, don't look like that. We're yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
Look, our video's on here.
Sounds like it is a recording. Wait, what?
No. Brittany, it's okay.
Brittany,
Don't be scared. So right now we're in Burger King.
Oh my God.
See, it says thank you.
Oh my God, Brittany. What?
Oh yeah, Nicole. Break it down. You're both in it.
Hey, Hillary.
Margarita.
I'm not even gonna do it, okay?
Hi, Brittany.
What?
It means so-so.
Asiasi means so-so in Spanish.
It means so-so in German, too.
So-so.
German.
And then so la la means basically so.
Oh my God.
She hit the floor. Shorty got low.
Shorty got low.
You should see me in Portland.
That was on this morning, yeah. And the Reeboks with this. Get that big booty inside.
Hey, she hit the floor.
Next thing I know, Shorty got low. Don't know that song. Kelsey.
What?
Oh my God.
Oh, that one.
Ready. Hold on.
Oh, you can't really see it. Oh, you can kind of see it.
I want to rewind it. Hold on.
Down.
Drop it in, slide it up the tray. Just get your trash
I
in
want to
here
rewind
some way.
Okay. Between if you're like, hey, Trey.
Hi, Hillary. Close up on Hillary. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ready? Are we going to listen to Kelsey sing?